future of shipping containers with one QR. Enhance the customer experience and unlock unparalleled marketing and engagement opportunities using one QR codes. Create a memorable first impression by including interactive one QR codes on your shipping containers. Link to welcoming messages, unboxing videos, or exclusive content. Keep your customers engaged from the moment they receive their package. One QR codes offer unparalleled versatility. Speak directly to both your existing and prospective customers by providing targeted experiences. Whether it's shopping, customer support, or any other interaction, one QR codes make it seamless and engaging. But the interaction doesn't stop there. With one QR, your QR codes are dynamic. Change the link as often as you'd like, highlight new products, special offers, or anything your marketing team dreams up. This dynamic capability ensures your message is always fresh and relevant. Scanning is a breeze with one QR's high contrast design. By ensuring a higher contrast between the QR code and its background, scanning becomes effortless in any lighting condition, making sure your message is always accessible. Give your customers a clear call to action. Let them know exactly where the one QR code will take them and give them a compelling reason to scan. Whether it's exclusive content, a special discount, or insider information, make it irresistible. And of course, your one QR codes should inspire confidence and seamlessly blend with your branding guidelines. Cohesive design is key to maintaining a professional and trustworthy image. Transform your shipping containers with one QR codes. Print once, change often, and watch your engagement soar. Get started for free today by visiting oneqr.com. Embrace the future with one QR, where innovation meets simplicity.